Any homeowner looking at exterior remodeling usually wants to know two things. How much will it cost? And is it worth it? And those are both legitimate questions needing a legitimate source for answers. For the past 33 years, the National Association of Realtors and Remodeling Magazine have funded research by Hanley Wood, the nation's largest data provider for construction costs and appraisal values, to create the cost versus value report. Over time, it's easy to see the rising costs of residential remodeling. Based on the data from several hundred estimates, real estate agents, and appraisers, the national average price to replace 10 standard windows is $17,641. Or, more simply, $1,764 per window installed. So even though it has proven to be a good investment, make sure that what you buy today will last long enough to get you a return. And when you have found the best option, don't wait very long, because it ain't getting any cheaper. Only 10 years ago, the average price per window was $1,106. It's nearly doubled. And I'm sure you're wondering what some of your window options are, so let's take a look at some different types before you move forward. Options like wood. Sure, they're pretty, but wood-clad windows have a tendency to separate and rot out from the inside. Fiberglass is strong, but proven to be leaky and a poor insulator. And standard vinyl has a tendency to crack, warp, collect mold, and fall apart. Luckily, there is a better option. In partnership with only the top-rated manufacturers, Window Depot USA is proud to offer the Signature Series collection, a highly innovative collection of energy-efficient, long-lasting windows. This collection includes everything that you need: the ever-classic double-hung, the easy-to-use sliding window, including the beautiful 3-part slider, the gorgeous casement window, and many more. In order for a window to qualify to be included in the Signature Series Manufacturer Partnership Program, they have to check off a lot of quality boxes. And they need to be on the forefront with the latest tech. You wouldn't want a cell phone from the 90s, so we wouldn't want to offer you a window from the 90s. You deserve windows that do great in every single season and eliminate the issues that are common with wood, fiberglass, and vinyl. And that requires science. The Signature Series frames are constructed from the most technologically advanced framing compounds available today. Developed using patents invented by NASA for modifying unplasticized PVC as a base compound, impact modifiers are added for strength, superpolymers for superb weathering resistance, various processing aids to prevent warping and cracking, titanium dioxide for color retaining UV resistance, and more, all blended together and extruded to form the Signature UPVC composite. This compound allows us to offer a variety of framing options to meet your needs. If you want more glass space for a visually clean and contemporary look, or you need windows that can take on a hurricane or tornado, we have it covered. Depending on wind loads and how your house is structured, you could benefit from a gatekeeper deadbolt style sill, or need a magnetic sill that shuts like a refrigerator. Either way, all designed to keep out the rain. And reinforced at the meeting rail to eliminate bowing, keeping out air and dust. We want to keep you safe and give you the best locking systems available. There are even screen options, from extruded reinforced aluminum to the next generation flex screen that has changed the industry. Your new window frames have even more options included, like insulated frames, durable weather stripping, decorative grids, tons of color options, easy cleaning from the inside. I could go on, but the glass makes up over 80% of the window, so let's see what makes the Signature Series glass packages so much better than the rest. The secret behind the Signature Advanced Architectural Glass is a process called magnetron sputter vapor deposition. This process uses various gases like argon, nitrogen, and oxygen while layering metallic and dielectric layers in different sequences. 15 sputter coating chambers apply 4 layers of spectrally selective compounds, each designed to reflect specific solar wavelengths. This process creates a low-E package that handles solar control, energy efficiency, and optimum indoor comfort. These layers are then laser inspected to ensure a quality coating on every square inch of glass before they're sealed. What does spectrally selective even mean? Well, the sun emits heat with ultraviolet, visible light, and infrared, all pouring through your window. Regular glass coatings only reflect UV and visible light, which means that a huge 53% of the heat is still coming in from infrared. Not to mention that nearly all the heat from inside your home is infrared, which means it's all pouring out, unless you have our spectrally selective coatings. Then all the heat goes where it's supposed to, back from whence it came. What about the cold, you ask? Standard glass packages have 2 panes of glass with just air in between. Air isn't a great insulator, so the cool just passes right through. When you add argon gas, it's 3 times as dense as oxygen. It's like having invisible fiberglass trapped inside, slowing down the cold transfer. And for the most energy efficiency and sound dampening, there's Krypton. No, not that kind. But it is super energy efficient, being 6 times as dense as oxygen and really slowing down the cold. But it gets better. The crown jewel of our energy empire? Our triple pane glass packages. Adding a pane of glass in the middle increases energy efficiency, sound reduction, and condensation resistance across the board. Our most energy efficient offerings all have triple glazing glass packages and are coated with our spectrally selective low-E coatings and have continuous built-in durable weather stripping. For the cherry on top, the sashes and frames are filled with high-density insulating foam, giving you a fully insulated unit from top to bottom. And now, to show you just how well our windows perform all year round and even in the worst conditions, let's hear from the president and CEO of Window Depot USA. Take it away, Ed.
New replacement windows can make your home more comfortable and save you money on those out-of-control utility bills. Check out this photograph that was taken with our thermal imaging camera.
The image on the left is the before image. It was 22 degrees outside, and you can see by the blue just how cold the window was. The image on the right was taken after we installed new energy-efficient windows. The glass is now warm and comfortable. What a difference!
Window Depot USA carries the most energy-efficient replacement windows available. Make your house a home with Window Depot.